Can you teach me how to do this Zenitsu edit?
What effect did you use to make your overlay pop out?
Tutorial?
Upload it, bro.
What is the single photo into different pieces effect called? What kind of edit is this? Name, please. The name KF the thing where it like overlays the images.
Tutorial.
Yep, this is the editing tutorial. All my secrets, my effects, my transitions, and the entire style I use, everything I discovered myself. And today I'm sharing it with you. This is the most requested and the most required editing tutorial on my channel. So make sure you watch the full video. Don't skip any part. All right, no time waste. Let's start. All right, the clips are added, the audio is added, and the beats are already marked. Before we start, make sure you're editing in the correct ratio you want to be. And one more thing, always add beats manually. Manual beat syncing gives you more control, more precision, and a cleaner flow compared to auto beat tools. All right, now let's start with the character cutout. First, select your clip and cut out the character exactly the way I'm doing it. Take your time here. Clean cutouts make a huge difference. Once the cutout is ready, go to the stroke settings. Now choose the perfect color that matches the scene. I always pick a color that enhances the character without making it look artificial. Do the same for the second clip as well. Cut the character cleanly, apply the stroke, and choose the matching color again. Make sure both clips have the same style so the transition looks consistent. Okay, now once the cutouts and strokes are done, we'll move to the next step. Here I'm adjusting the clips to make them look good and match the style of the other clips. Make sure the framing, colors, and angles look consistent, and this keeps your edit clean. I fast-forwarded this part so we don't waste any time, so watch carefully and follow exactly how I'm adjusting the clips. Just match the position, match the scale, and keep the overall look the same as the previous clips. All right, now for the next step. First, I'm freezing the first part of the clip. This gives us a clean still frame to work on. Now from that freeze frame, cut out the character just like before. Take your time and make sure the edges are clean. After the cutout is ready, adjust the stroke as usual. Same color style, same thickness, so everything stays consistent. Now place this cutout exactly on the beat. Align it with the beat you marked earlier so the impact hits perfectly. Do this step carefully. Freeze, cutout, stroke, and beat placement. This is what gives the edit that smooth, professional look. Now we move to the next part. And this one is a bit time-consuming, so look carefully and don't skip anything. First, count how many beats you want to create the mask on. Once you know the number of beats, decide the size of the mask. Now start adjusting the mask according to each beat. On every beat, change the mask slightly so it matches the timing and feels smooth. After that, copy the same clip and repeat the process. Do the same thing again and again for all the beats. Same mask style, same timing, just following each beat one by one. Watch this part carefully till the end, because I'm using some secret techniques here that will really improve your editing skills. These are tricks I found by myself, through practice. Okay, the masks are complete, so now remove any unwanted extra parts. Next, add your keyframes. Adjust the keyframes the way you want, make it smooth and controlled. After that, add a zoom-in effect. Don't overdo it, just a clean zoom to give the clip movement. Now apply the graph according to your style. Graph editing is what makes the motion feel smooth and professional. Once this is done, we move to the next masking part. First, check how many beats you want to mask on. Then decide the size and position of your mask. Make sure each mask matches the beat timing. Now adjust the mask according to the beats. Each beat should have a clean motion or shape change. After that, copy the first clip, change the position, and again adjust everything according to the next beat. Repeat this exact process for all the remaining beats. Same style, same flow, just following the beat structure. All right, this is the final masking part, and it's the same process as before, so follow carefully. I know some of you might be confused about the beats here, but in this section, I'm not adding manual beats because the sync is very fast. When the beats are too fast, you can just add the masks randomly. They will still fit perfectly with the rhythm. For this part, I'm masking every single frame. One frame, one mask. The position and design depend on you, so copy my style or make your own. I know it looks hard and time-consuming, but once you finish it, it becomes pure art. Just keep repeating the process. Frame by frame mask, adjust the shape, and let it flow with the fast beat. Stay consistent. That's what makes this final masking part clean and smooth. Okay, all the masking is complete, so now we'll move on to the final touches. First, on the very first beat, we're going to add the ripple overlay. If you don't have this overlay, don't worry, I've uploaded it on Telegram and Discord. The links are available in the description and in my bio. Join for more editing material. Now trim the overlay and remove the unwanted parts. Adjust it so it fits perfectly with the beat and matches the clip just like I'm doing. Then go to the splice and apply filter. Black screen are removed. Here, next, go to your effects panel and search for ripple. Apply the ripple effect to your clip and check if it matches the beat smoothly. Make small adjustments if needed, and make sure the ripple syncs perfectly. Now it's time to reveal my secret trick. A trick I discovered myself. First, zoom the entire screen in. Then select the first one-frame cut of the clip. With that one frame selected, go to Adjust and open the graph settings. Follow exactly what I'm doing here and match the graph the same way. Next, go to Brightness and increase it all the way up. Repeat this same process for all the other clips. The result you'll get is that the cutout turns completely white, and that's the effect I use in my shorts. You can check out my shorts to see how this trick looks. And make sure to subscribe for more tricks like this. Now we're going to add the white overlay to make the transition smoother and natural. Do the same as I'm doing. First, take one frame of the white overlay and place it on the timeline. Now add a keyframe on that frame. Then move a little forward to set the duration and add another keyframe. After that, go to the opacity settings and decrease it all the way to 0 on the second keyframe. This will create a smooth fade-out effect. Finally, open the graph and adjust it the way I'm doing here to make the transition even cleaner and natural. All right, now let's move on to the next part. Select the one-frame cut of the clip and isolate it. With that single frame selected, go to Adjust and open the graph settings. Follow exactly what I'm doing here and match the graph the same way. After setting the graph, increase the brightness or the contrast, or increase both if you want a stronger flash. This will give you that clean pop effect between the transitions. Repeat the same steps for all the remaining clips so everything stays consistent. Now select the last one-frame cut of the clip. With that frame selected, go to Adjust and follow exactly what I'm doing here. Same graph, same settings. Next, select the one frame of the layer and remove the extra parts. This step is optional. If it doesn't fit perfectly or looks off, you can remove it completely. To make the transition look more natural, we're adding a white overlay again. Just follow the same steps as before: one frame, keyframe, opacity, and graph. This gives the transition a smooth and clean finish. All right, now let's move on to the next part. In this section, we're doing the exact same steps as before, so I'm fast-forwarding the video to save time. Watch carefully and follow the process just like I did earlier. Same cut, same graph, same adjustment. Everything is repeated the same way, so just keep an eye on the details. I missed one beat, so let's fix it now. First, freeze the front part of the clip and place it into the overlay track. Now cut out the character from that freeze frame. Keep the cutout clean. After that, cut the one frame, select that frame, and adjust it exactly the same way I'm doing here. Next, go to Effects and search for Astral. Apply Astral to the clip and trim out the unwanted part. And that's it. The missed beat is fixed. Now let's add the ripple overlay. Place the ripple overlay on the beat just like I'm doing. Trim the extra parts and fit it perfectly to the clip. After that, go to Effects and search for Ripple. Apply the ripple effect exactly the same way we used it earlier, and adjust it according to the beat. Make sure the ripple lines up with the timing so the transition feels smooth and clean. All right, now let's move to the next part. First, cut the front one frame section of the clip. Select that one frame, then go to Adjust. Increase the brightness and contrast to match the style we used before. Open the graph settings and follow the same graph pattern I'm using. Do the same thing for all the other clips so everything stays consistent and smooth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Join the R family and stay tuned for more editing tutorials like this. And now just do the same for the other clips as well. Repeat the exact process so everything stays consistent. Now go to Adjust and open the graph settings. Do the graph exactly the same way I'm doing it. After that, adjust the brilliance. Next, go to your library and add the white overlay. After that, cut one frame clip, it's done. This gives a clean and smooth transition. Okay, now scroll down and select the clip. Cut the front one frame section from it. Select that one frame, then go to the adjust, do exactly the same way I'm doing. Increase the brightness, contrast, and brilliance and adjust the graph same as I'm doing. Do the same for all the remaining clips so the entire edit stays consistent and clean. If you have any questions about this tutorial or about anything else, just ask me in the comment section. I always reply. I worked really hard to make this tutorial, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Alright, before ending the tutorial, let me quickly show you everything we did. All the masking, all the effects, the overlays, and every transition we created. You can see how smoothly everything moves side to side and blends together. Now let's export the video. I always export in 1080p, 60 FPS, and full MBPs for the best quality. This keeps the edit sharp, clean, and ready for YouTube Shorts. And now, here is the final result. Enjoy the full edit and learn from the flow, timing, and effects we used today.